He's getting his second surgery this morning in Syracuse, so I'm on my way there. And I'm taking you guys along with me. Who do you guys prefer, Dunkin', Tim Hortons, or Starbucks? I really hope you're not going to say Starbucks. You're about to find out who I prefer. Can you stand the anticipation? Trying to figure out what coffee I'm getting. It's killing you. I know it is. I think I saw you girls yesterday when that lady quit. Somebody walked out on you yesterday when I was in here.
Well, that's a different business.
Oh, over there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was making food. I was looking over things.
Yeah, I don't know what was going on. Yeah. It was eventful, so. Have a good day. So it's Dunkin'. Anyway, Jim hates Dunkin'. Oh, he hates it, but I love it. I like Tim Hortons too. Canadian coffee brand there, but I like them. But I usually get Dunkin' because it's almost a given that I'm going to like to drink it. So traffic is starting to get pretty thick right now going into Syracuse. And I always get a lot of humor out of, like, I set my cruise when I'm on the interstates just so that I can pass it when I want and keep the same speed. And it always cracks me up when I pass like a truck, like a pickup truck or some like beefy truck or a sports car or something, okay? And I have a minivan and I pass them and it never fails about, hold on guys, it never fails about like 2 minutes later I see the same truck like flying by me because God forbid they get passed by a minivan at 73 miles an hour or whatever. And then I just usually end up catching back up with them because they don't set their cruise. I just find it really funny. I'm not big on driving in Syracuse, but I said I should. I think it's freaking hilarious. I get a lot of jerks on the road today. It's a weekday. Start to freak out a little bit. I cannot find any frigging parking in this garage today, and I already think I'm going to be late for seeing him before his surgery. Oh, I found one. Oh my God, there's actually one right here, all the way up to the top. We are tippity top, but I'm gonna have to take it. Yeah, he texted me on my drive and said that they were getting him ready, and it's like an hour earlier than they said. So now I think I'm probably too late. So Jim's surgery went really well. The surgeon said everything went together like it should. And I'm hoping he's going to be home Friday. Thanks everybody for watching. I know it's different than probably what you were expecting. I'm just trying to give you guys some, just trying to keep you posted pretty much and make it a little entertaining at the same time. So thanks for watching. See you on the next one.